Hi guys! This is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an app that accepts deposits for booking. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. You'll also get a free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to build an app that accepts deposits for booking, start by clicking on the Create Form button, located either at the center or the top left side of the dashboard. This will present you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create signable document. Choose the Start from Scratch option to begin creating your form. In the subsequent window, select the layout of your form by clicking on the Classic Form option. This will take you to the editor where you can commence building your app. In the editor, the first step is to give your app a name. Double-click on the title and replace it with a suitable name, such as Booking App. Next, you can add various elements like basic fields, payments, and widgets to your form. To do this, navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element option. The left sidebar will open, allowing you to choose and add elements of your choice to the form. For example, to incorporate a payment method, click on the Payments section within the left sidebar. Here you can select from various payment methods like Square, PayPal, Authorize.net, and more. Let's say you want to add Venmo as a payment method. Scroll down, click on the Venmo option, and drag it onto the form. This will be the payment method that people will use to pay the deposit for their booking. Additionally, you may want to include a signature option so that customers can sign their deposits. To do this, click on the Add Form Element option again, and then choose the Widget section. Click the Signature option and drag it to the desired position on the form. Now, customers can provide their signatures when making a deposit through the app. Once you have finished building your app, click on the Publish section to share it. This will take you to the Publish section, where you can copy the link to your app by selecting the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can open the form in a new tab to view it from the user's perspective by clicking on the Open in New tab option. To simplify installation, you can also generate and download a QR code for your app or form. Share this QR code with others, and when they scan it, your app will be installed on their mobile devices. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.